I wanna see the light.
Hey guys, and welcome back. So Wetline Xtreme has come out with a new gel. And this is their multi-protein gel, which is 8.8 ounces. And y'all know I'm really excited to try it. I'm sure y'all seen the original gel from this line. And this gel actually smells okay. And it's a brown gel, like the gels we used back in the day. So I already did my conditioning and all that other good stuff. I'm just going to start with a small section. Applying this gel, I noticed my curls started to define just like the original gel from this brand, which is why I love Wetline Xtreme gels. So this gel is thick just like the original, and I'm just smoothing it into my hair. I find my curls define the most when I smooth the gel instead of raking it. I'll rake at the ends, but for the most part, I like to smooth the gel into my hair. So you can definitely see the curl definition. This gel does have wheat protein, which helps in strengthening the hair. It also has aloe vera to help in providing just a little bit of moisture. And this is an ultra gel, so the hold is really good. I'm just going to finish up.
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light.
And I love the curl definition. I did the banding method once my hair dried. I'm going to apply an oil because I did have a little bit of a crunch with this gel, which I don't mind at all because I know my wash and goes are going to last. I really took my time with applying the oil, which really helps in keeping my hair shiny, and it also helps in keeping my hair soft. This gel gave a lot of body, which I'm not surprised. Let me find out that this gel is about to be a holy grail for me. So that completes this review on the new Wetline Xtreme Multi-Protein Gel. I will have the link in the description box below on where you can get your hands on this gel. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will chat with you guys later.
I wanna see the